Alright people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to change the spark plugs on your car. It's going to be very similar for near enough all petrol cars, so even if you don't have a Leon Cupra or Seat Leon, this is going to cover most cars. For the 2.0 TFSI engines, this is the recommended plug, so they're Iridium BKR7EI6. I got this package from AKS Tuning. They were offering the best price, so it was about £38 for the whole pack. So we're going to show you how to fit these. If you have your engine cover on your car, you want to remove it on these engines. There'll be the engine cover. There's a few clips at the back. You're working on the engine, make sure the car's cold. You want to get a screwdriver, something quite sturdy, especially for the next bit. So you pop your screwdriver in here where this tab is. You just lift very lightly, you don't want to break it. And you push and it comes off, just like that. Next one, pop your screwdriver in, lift, just so it opens the tab up and unlocks it. Next. This one is actually broken, so it's going to be a bit more tricky. But it's good that it's broken, just so we can show you. You sort of need to get your screwdriver underneath. I'm sure there are better ways, but yeah, this is the way we're going to do it. Just turn, and there you go. So just rather than getting it from the tab, which is the way you're supposed to do it, get it here in between the coil pack and the coil pack connectors with the wiring. Again, lift the tab, pull up. Once you got all the connectors off, just pull them out, get them out of the way. Some people's coil packs will be very stuck in. This is why you need quite a big screwdriver. Start from either side. Just get your screwdriver under, lift it. You could try pull it by hand, which is the best way. Especially on older cars, they're going to sort of be stuck in. So just wiggle it a bit and pull. Just lift it, and there you go. So look, just coming up. Just very carefully. You don't want to break your coil packs. And they just lift out. Have a quick inspection. You don't want to get them dirty, and just repeat it for all four of them. Ooh, that is not good. Now that, I believe, is because water's gone in there. That's not good. We need to get new coil packs. And you don't really want an odd coil pack, you might as well just replace them all for the sake of 70-80 quid. That's very bad.
Look who's come to say hello.
Hello cat. As you guys can see, things are a bit different on the car. We had this video all done, but I think one of us deleted the original footage. In your toolkit, you should have a special bit just for removing spark plugs. On the inside, you'll see it has the hex bit, which I believe is like a 10mm. But you can see it's got this like smaller rubber circle on the inside, and that is so that it can actually grip onto the spark plug and pull it out. So I'll show you one as an example anyway. So you just get it on your ratchet, just feed it in. It's going to be quite deep, so get your extension bit. You should feel it lock in. You sort of just drop a little bit and then just loosen it. These are going to be brand new spark plugs that you're seeing, but what I'll do, I'll actually overlay an image of the original spark plugs and how bad they were. Watch your fingers, because I just caught mine. So yeah, just loosen it. You should be able to pull it up once it's loosened. So you should feel it nice and loose. Just lift it up, and you should have your spark plug with it. Here is the spark plug itself. The rubber part on the inside of your spark plug socket bit will sort of latch onto this, and then the hex part will lock onto this part. So that way, seats in nicely. I'll put my hand just in case, but you can see it's fairly snug. It's not going to come out. So this makes it easy to change your spark plugs. So just remove your old spark plug, grab your new one, pop it in your socket bit, just lower it in, tighten it by hand till it's as tight as can be. Grab your ratchet and just tighten it a bit further. Don't over tighten it. There, that's good. On occasion, your socket bit may get stuck onto the plug. Just wiggle it as you pull it up, or like so. Just keep wiggling it as you pull it up, like so, and you've got your bit. Just do that for all 4 spark plugs, replace a whole set at a time. Pop your coil pack back in. Make sure they're all lined up, press down. Pop all 4 coil packs back in, connect them all back up. like so. Should hear a click. Let's give the wires a tiny tug just to see if they're moving. Press it down one last time. And then just give your car a start, make sure it's running fine. All good on the front, listen to the back. It's a lot easier to hear misfires from the back, especially with these noisier engines. As you can hear, it's just ticking away nicely. Nice and smooth, that's what we like to hear. So you've just saved yourself about 20 to 40 pounds depending on which garage you go to, dealership, stuff like that. Which is more money for car parts or beer or going out. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our next video, which will be our 99th video, and then on the 100th video, which will be coming out next Saturday, we're going to have a really special video where we're going to get all of this work done. Obviously you're seeing this sort of in the future after the work is done. We're going to be going stage 2 plus, which is going to be a huge thing. We get tons of work done to the car. There were tons of issues that we got fixed. And you'll be seeing some really special stuff that normally you don't really get to see. So make sure you subscribe so you stay up to date with the latest content, and we'll see you in the next video.